with whatever equipment I had from my place, the fire extinguishers. And in no time we were here in about 5 minutes, and that entire house, which is possibly maybe 300, 400 years old, what you see in my behind me, was on fire actually. Now we reside here in a place which is called Premier Wado. Just in front of me is the village panchayat and the single track of the Southwestern Railway. Right of way, which was used by the villagers since 1890, when the then British East India Company decided to have the single track narrow gauge for the railway line from Vasco to Kulem. Today, we had something, we had thought about it, that this could, such an emergency could arise. Could it be an emergency of a medical requirement of emergency vehicles, a fire brigade, and exactly this what had happened. The fire brigade was here meters away, but it couldn't cross the tracks. And there is on towards my left, there can be here, maybe in 10 minutes from where now. But the RVNL personnel, what they have done is they have dug up the nala, which was existing nala, and they kept it because the people were using this for as a thoroughfare to deny the villagers. And today they have denied the fire brigade of Goa access to this. And as a consequence, the fire brigade had to go back to ROC and come here by the internal roads, which took a good 40-45 minutes. In the interim, with the assistance of our staff, of the villagers, about 20 villages, we nearly put about 60 to 65% of the fire. Summertime we used to use it as our thoroughfare, as a right of way. Today our people are denied access, and this is a consequence of this, their ill planning, that we are sufferers today in Welsom. I appeal to the local representative. He should have, if he has any this, he should come and see what is the plight of these people here. Out here through our village, there is no security for our senior citizens. And now as I speak, there are Goa police personnel here to the right of this house, of the very house. And it has been reported that it has been broken into. So where is the security for our people?
I was in Welsom. It's a antique house over hundreds of years, and because of the railway, we don't have a road over here, and that's why we tried to maintain it as much as we could. Today there was an incident, a major incident, a fire incident, which has finished my whole house and my ancestral properties. I mean my ancestral furniture, antique furniture, finished. There was an incident, and my workers were out. So the neighbors called, frantic call to call me, and I rushed because I live in Margao. I rushed over here because there's no road access to this place. Sure. By the time the villagers, Mr. Orville Dorado, brought his fire extinguishers, his men from his hotel, and they managed to put off major part of the fire. Had that not happened, probably, yes, we have lost a lot of money over here. We have lost all because thank you for the villagers, the fire brigades couldn't come here. They managed to come from ROC. There was a broken place. They broke a wire and they managed to come. They risked their lives and they came. I'm thankful to the fire brigade because there was no way to come. And when the fire brigade came, the people had managed to, even with their fire extinguishers and everything, risking their lives. Every person, I thank every village.
आमचो एक गांव भाव एक्टिविस्ट ऑरविल दोरादो आता एका कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल गवर्नमेंट आमकां कांयच कोन्ना आनी आमगे ही एरिया सामकी लँडलॉक जालो पळय हांव गवर्नमेंट आमचें पळोवंक गेलें ना फकत तेका डबल टॅक्स जाय कोणा लागून फॉर द ओन तेंगे ओन बेनिफीट तेंगे फायद्याक कोर्स सारून तेंगे